the Honor 600 Lite, surfaced online. The handset is likely to be part of the upcoming Honor 600 series. While Honor hasn't made any details about the 600 Lite official, the Honor 600 Lite offers a premium build with a metal frame, a glass rear panel, and an IP66 rating. The Honor 600 Lite is listed in desert gold and velvet black color options. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7100 Elite SoC, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It runs Android 16 based Honor UI out of the box. It sports a 6.6-inch AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz. The phone features a dual rear camera setup with a 108MP primary sensor, with a 5MP ultra-wide camera, a 16MP selfie camera. The phone houses a 6,250 mAh battery with 45W fast charging support. The device is available for purchase in Singapore, with a starting price of SGD 399. It is also likely to make its way to Europe soon. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.